Okay, we are at the Suki market in Alaminos City, Pangasinan. This is the aftermath of a fire that broke out last night around midnight. It's the 5th of October right now. It's about 1:25 in the afternoon here, Tuesday afternoon. And we have a lot of vendors outside that are grieving their loss here at their market, which is to be expected. Look at this. It's pretty well messed up. So what we're going to do is we're not allowed inside. I don't want to go inside anyhow. Yeah, we got the fire investigators got to do their work and come up with an official cause of this, hopefully. But we'll do a walk around the building and just kind of show what's going on here. Here at 1:25 in the afternoon, Tuesday. The aftermath of the fire that broke out, I believe around midnight, is what the reports are saying. So yeah, it's very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. We've shopped in here several times. Actually done some videos in here. I've got about 100 videos. It's pretty easy to find if you go in and look. It shows this market in much better form. But yeah, it's a real bummer. Really sad. You see the vendors out there just devastated with what has happened here. So again, I'm not going to get too close. I'll just kind of stay a distance where I'm at right now. And you know, the security guards, the PNP officers, they're nice enough to let us just kind of walk around and do some video. So I'm going to honor their kindness. Now we're on the south side of the building. So as you can see, we're kind of heading, I guess, we're on the south side of the building walking east. And as you can see, it's we could probably walk up towards the tape, but I'd not go inside. Right. So with that being said, let's just kind of take a yeah, this sucks. This really sucks. Yeah. And it's, you know, just hard-working folks. They're here at the ass crack of dawn, ready to do business and, you know, serve the community. And then you got some jackhole that's going to come in here and, well, we don't know for sure what the official cause is, so I'm not going to start anything, but we can only imagine and speculate. So it's just a real shitty situation. I don't want to get anybody on camera. Oh man, just a real, keep people out of here. There we go. Are they going to have vendors set up elsewhere? Has anybody said? They have a different location where people can sell their goods? Yeah, just trying to keep people's faces off of this video. I don't want to
only at the dry goods station.
Yeah. So some people are still able to Open up, but see, there's nobody allowed back here, so it's not like you can do any business. Sorry, I'm just turning the camera away when there's people walking by me. I don't want to. Well, it looks like the farther you go back, the less damage. What do you think? Excuse me. Yeah. Anyhow. I'm sure most people are okay with this camera, but I don't want to. I mean, these people just suffered a huge loss. The last thing I want to do is have this camera pointing at them. So here we are on the east end, the far end. And it doesn't look like, no, over here, it looks like things aren't quite as bad.
Only at the dry goods.
Yeah.
All close.
But I would like to kind of go back in that corner again. Remember, we'd kind of took a distance shot. Try to get around the end here. Now we're on the north end of the building. So definitely got a lot of smoke damage, that's for sure. That's evident, clearly evident. See right there, you got, yeah, I don't know if you can see in there. I don't want to step in too close. Kind of a loading dock area. So yeah, this god dang. Yeah. Yep. So I really wish these guys the best. I mean, they got a lot of cleaning up to do, and it's gonna be a task, that's for sure. But it can be done. It's gonna take some time, but I'm sure they will prevail. Filipinos are a tough breed. They'll overcome this. Again, I'm not. Hello. You doing okay? Okay. Okay. Everyone safe? Okay, good. Look at that. Oh man, that's so sad. Here we go. Look at that. Yeah. I'll try to zoom in there, see if we can see what. Yeah. But I tell you what, I hope they find out who did this, if it was arson. Yeah, that's one hell of a. And then yep. Look at that. Holy cow. Ready? Get out of their way while they do their stuff. Yeah, it's pretty well burnt out. Yeah, boy. It started on the upstairs from what I heard. Everything's rumor at this point. Yep, it's all speculative, rumor, whatever. Yeah. Either way, it sucks. And it looks like somebody. Yeah. I do believe there's some residents living up on the top there. So yeah, it affected the whole community, that's for sure. I mean, people shop here in the droves. So this is a heavy populated market, so should we go back around the other way? Should we?
Hello. Kumusta?
Yeah.
Kumusta?
Hang in there, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saan ang pwesto mo dito? Ay, dito? Kaya mo yan. The one thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, the last time we did a video over here was definitely under better circumstances, I guess you could say. I want to take one more stroll down here. Yeah, maybe we'll walk. Should we walk down here? Yeah, because you just can't go beyond the caution tape, which I wouldn't want to anyways. I don't want to get too dang close to these folks here. So just one more. Look at that, cleaning up already. That's great. It's good to see. Anyways, I think we've seen about enough. Yeah. We'll be back. Well, we should form a working party and come down here and help these guys, huh? Get about 100 Marines over here and we could take care of it. Get this place squared away ASAP.
Take them like they are volunteers, so you have to take a video, take a caption on them.
Yeah. Straight away through to the other side. Just kind of see in there. I'd say we're about midway, maybe midway down, midway across the building. About halfway through. As you can still see some smoldering going on back there. So yeah, still not safe for the average person to be walking around in there. A lot of smoke. You can see up in there. So, alrighty. It's all messy down here. I'm just kind of skirt around here. Again, we're on the east side of the building. I'm sorry, the south side of the building. Let's take a gander through here real fast. All right. Another throughway. So just a mess. Yeah. So no injuries, no fatalities. That's the main thing right there. Thank goodness. Thank God for that. Pretty unfortunate. I think we'll take one more look through here. And then I think we'll call it good. Yep. Alrighty. You got all that. Nah, I think that's about it. Yeah, we're hungry. We haven't had lunch yet, but okay, so once again, we're on the south side of the building. That way's west. Got the other market over there. We'll try to see if we can get something. What is it? The Kamar market? Yeah. We'll try to see if we can get some images of that, some video over there. And again, I'm doing this strictly on a permission basis only. I mean, if they say no, then that's it. I'm not even gonna not gonna question it. Just go on my merry way. So there you go. Smells ugly out here. Well, God bless the fact that nobody was injured or there were no fatalities here at Suki Market. Just a bad situation though overall with the damage that's been done here. A lot of people are hurting right now, so I sent out a big prayer to all these folks here that were affected by this tragic fire. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, and everybody take care of yourself, and we'll talk to you later. Okie doke.